the upper, well, upper and lower. I don't know which one's which now because we've taken a bunch out, but they're all screwed up, falling apart, defective from Ecklers 12 years ago. Every other bushing that we got at the same time, great condition. Like, hold that camera spot. There's one for a sway link, perfect condition. So their tech that said, oh, well, polyurethane degrades if you don't drive it enough. Here you go, Mr. Tech. These were put on at the same time. They're perfect condition. Sway bar, perfect condition. Crappy defective upper and lower control arm bushings, shot, making us disassemble the whole front end again. Thanks, Ecklers.
Tell us all you really will.
Oh, you don't want to hear me cuss. I want a kid to be able to see this video.
Alright. Is that going to do it for today's episode?
Yeah. No, that's not today's episode, but that's today's episode on how to remove upper control arm bushings on a 75 Corvette the easiest way I know how to. These lowers are a different story because this guy is bigger than the sleeve, so you can't use it to punch it out like the other guy. And obviously 2 holes, that ain't gonna go through that. So uppers are a pain in the butt, but lowers are a pain in the butt. Uppers are relatively easy as long as you got something to bust them into and a $2 bolt from those big box stores.
All right.